Hey! 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 Come in on the live. Yeah. Yeah. When you see the text, we're all damn bad, stunting. Them gals so sweet like pumpkin. True Kyle them thick like dumpling. Cat Kyle them thick like dumpling. All damn bad, stunting. Them gals so sweet like pumpkin. True Kyle them thick like dumpling. Cat Kyle them thick like dumpling. Couple gyal link up to the man it hard. Couple keys, couple. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 20 countdown. Yes, it's not top 10 this week. Me I given a little bit of extra stuff like how I have been busy and never did I deliver the video as I should. So sit back, relax. If you are on the live right now, please to just hit the thumbs up button and also the post notification right now. Yes, man, I also leave a comment more and soon I talk on the live and these things. If you're not on the live and you catch it, just make sure say leave your comment from right now and subscribe if you are new. Well, anywho, let's get into the top 20 countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, that missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me, how I me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 20. So, before I get into the whole bully beef drama, I forgot to talk about Candy. Candy showed up at a funeral. I guess she was at Duffcat. And guess what she told the people? Look at it.
Can I get a wow?
Wow! And I start this video, man.
Can I get a wow?
Wow!
One moment. For this band, wow. Can I get a wow?
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
No, Candy did just not got the people in place and ask for a wow. No. No. You know, some understand the fact that maybe I don't think that she would have gone there just for to promote our wowness. I'm sure she was invited to the funeral. Maybe she lost a loved one, and I guess while she was there, she was trying to contribute in her own unique way to kind of lift the mood of the family members. And this is how she, I guess, contributed. But it's still, why? I don't know. You can put your brand anywhere, but I never pictured this at one funeral or one graveside. No, and that's just the way how she attack with conviction, people. It's not the fact that she said, "Can I get a wow?" Candy is like, can I get a wow?
Can I get a wow?
Walipa? Walipa? Can I get a? Wow. Can I get a?
One moment. For this band.
The only thing that left is for she to do the can I get a wine? Walipa? Walipa? Water with? Graveside? Funeral? Dead body? Cement? Ashes? Dust to dust? Can I get a? Walipa? Water with? Whoa. Number 19, what's attack? Me get juice. So I book up this video now with this, I guess, I don't know if it's a teacher in training or, something like that. And he decided to take upon himself as the exterminator and go and challenge some wasps and feed them nests. Here is how it turned out.
Let's go on, live.
University College, where we have an exterminator.
Yo, next one, next test. Yo, brother, it's like dangerous. Course.
But you know what extra funny about the video is the person in the background that I laugh. Like, you just have some people with some specific laughter that once you hear it, you have to ear up and burst out a laugh too. Hear that? What do you think about this video, people? What's up about it yet? Comment down below. Number 18, bling message. My shoes brush.
Give me good love, just to remind me.
Okay, so, Vanessa Bling, aka Gaza Slim, she have one bag of dancehall hits and all of these things. She reside in foreign now. She, caused a bit of, a bit of a little chunko on social media when she decided to post a video in the midst of the whole Yanni Curvy Diva underwear excitement and yeah. And yeah, just watch the video and let's talk.
Some woman like, una overdo it like, even some of the female girl too, artists, germs. Like, me get some video and me I say, why would I have to behave like this just for say, okay.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live.
Oh wow, the shade. Wow. I feel I want the curvy diva. Wow, the shade. Wow. The crocus bag of shade, man. Jesus, people. Handle sycamore tree. My worst.
Uno dip on top, whatever. And some of the artists boy wanna fish too. I don't like uno. Period. Uno na fi behave so dog. Uno gyal. Cause uno no lady, so me not call uno lady. Uno na fi behave so uno act like some Jezebel.
No, one of the first things me have to say, Vanessa Bling is a beautiful young lady. Me I talk like people going like say only since Shensi they have pretty girl in a dancer like Vanessa Bling and them original goodies, stay good and face and lips and eyes and them like something the sweet vice. It's good to see, that she's back on the scene again on social media, sharing her views and stuff because, that's what, entertainers, I guess, do these days. But anyhow, so, what I found more interesting was the fact that when she was listing out all of the vulgarity and that the people on the live actually assumed it was Footer she didn't talk about.
No, me not talk Footer. Actually, me rate Footer. Me rate Footer cause me think Footer is the type of person who stand up for when believing and like him really help back dancer.
So that's the video, readers. Let me know what your thoughts about Vanessa Bling personally. I think it is just so good that she's able to voice her concerns because we all know that the Gaza camp was the leader, the trailblazer in terms of maintaining in integrity, standards and morals in the Caribbean society. Number 17, Squash says, Me money fever.
Yeah, live the hype life, red eye night flight.
So if you don't know who by now. That the other day, Squash never did perform when he was, I guess, slated to be on stage at Beanie Man Summer Sizzle. And yes, Beanie Man never really too like that. And Squash should have said some little things never start out, so you never need for them on stage. But henty who, so, as artists get, older and them, grow and they mature, them tend to take a stance where they want to look at the dancehall space and sort of chime in on whether or not they think it is moving in the right direction or the wrong direction. I think that just comes with growth where you step away and you just start to look and evaluate. So Bushman, Bushman from Just Shine His Lighthouse for me, he takes his light. Yeah man, the brother there decided to, put up a little video kind of appealing to Squash to kind of change certain ways.
Yeah, right now, me there UK now and look a bunk bed here. I see this thing here with Beanie Man. And the six them and them thing there. And yo, what them youth are really are dealing with, my lad. And that's how we live as artists, my lad. You just keep your show and we come support that. And we keep our show and you come support that. That's how we know the thing run. Me keep me thing, Beanie Man come sing, Beanie Man keep him thing, because sing. Cockatee keep him thing, we go sing. Prophet keep him thing, we go sing. If Prophet a give you a thing, Prophet give you a thing. If Prophet we keep back a thing, Prophet just can sing. So some man feel like them now go keep a thing or them now go reach one part in a business where them all want to keep something. For make a money. Yeah, on the wise you don't know do, because you look at new youth so you understand on yourself, this,
Okay, alright, so to which Squash decided to go publicly and to give his rebuttal. I see it say as somebody, them a look for save them career. I have to laugh, L-O-U-G-H, TPC. No, when you go use TPC, everybody knows say, no, Squash, me no think no brother, no gangster in a dance hall supposed to use TPC. Because anytime you hear TPC, me think of some good girl, skittle girl type of behavior that. No, yeah, so I can't picture no, the Jidenna, no, maybe it means something else. Yeah, laughing emoji. But then for no say me no savior, so try help on yourself little gun bag. And me know better, but some little boy for know me no textile. And me not look pa so me no care what forward with.
Keep spinning.
It is very interesting these days to see dancehall artists on social media actually typing because it just gives you a lot of insight. That's all I have to say. Number 16, Lady Thief. Me wallet bone. Me tell you, say, one of the things that I actually hate and despise about people is if them have like a thief in ways. So this video surfaced on social media where this little girl was at a store and she had a cashier. I don't know, she put on her phone, a charge like a phone and these things. When out of the blue, this big woman come in her way inside of the place now, decides that she go just try to do one little I don't know what she did think, so she was the third or fourth Charlie's Angels. I tried to do some little 007 type of tactics type of thing. Go there, spot the phone and I tried to take it away. Well, she actually did. Oh wow, yeah man, yeah, wow, it's a sad state of affairs. Now, imagine, she go through all of this and thief these little kids, this little Pekingese phone, thinking that she had secured a bag. And 2 2s after that, after the whole video come out and show her face and find out say she's a security worker. My girl lose the bag, the real bag. That is her 9 to 5, so now I guess she is her unemployed. All because of a little kamuchin spirit inside her that decided to come out and thief the little pitney phone. Wow. Have you ever been robbed? Have you ever stolen in your life? Sound off Berry does.
Ready now.
Get girl them hot, sauce was tight. Truck start pull up in a fast ride. Nothing but wear and a half price. Truck suit beat with a half white. My chain them bright like starlight. One team out so we alright. Every girl one piece of star life. Drop some sauce and away them girl attack.
Number 15, Mama Ding. So, Miss Kitty is always, traveling around the country doing her outside broadcasts, interacting with people. So on this occasion, she was on a stop when she decided to, do a little thing with this more mature woman. And look at what this woman get on with. Pre.
Miss Kitty had a good motion. Good things here. Jericho had a good things here. What's a lady there? Oh my God. Good answer them, good. The good granny them. My God. The good granny them. Oh my, I got it. No, Karen.
Yes, mama. Show them young foot there how you used to do it back in your day. Okay. Number 14, Shady Pulpit. Me altakal. Wow, so another reference to Yanni Curvy Diva. So, after she took off her drawers, it caused quite a commotion online and in Jamaica. So, with everything going on, once it reaches a certain level of popularity, it somehow manages for Jim Screech its way into a sermon. And so it wasn't that shocking when this video surfaced online with a preacher, not really mentioning Curvy Diva, but she did allude to Curvy Diva while she was trying to win some souls for Christ.
Almost sinner tell her say she a happen. And if they want raunchy, shall kill them raunchy. And right on that stage, she took off her underwear. Big popular lady. And you can imagine when that lady now gets saved, or that lady children, because she have children, when they look back on her and say, Mommy.
Oh, the shade. I mean, from a church perspective, I guess I understand. So the whole facts of taking off your underwear in front of people, it might look a bit distasteful. That is understandable, quite so. Okay? And then, the artist thing, they're just like, yo, this is a moment, this is a momentum, this is just something I'm doing for my onstage persona that is really just for gimmicks and for the theatrics. That is another thing. But I read there's some stuff online, and I find out, say, apparently, not wearing underwear is actually good for the vagina. So it was saying that, the vajayjay, it needs a little bit of Whoopsie! So I don't know, will it be religion, will it be pop culture, or will it be science? Let me know what you thought about this preacher's comments, Burritos. Number 13, Spice the Trickster. The thing, Spice every week Spice have to just have to cuss off somebody. I don't know why people don't stop text on Spice. Leave Spice alone, people. Yes, Spice are problematic to nobody. Spice are minding her business. She has travel. She is touring and not touring. All of these are things she's minding her business. So just lower her alone, people. Why you have to go push Spice to the limit where she have to go up on social media and don't have somebody like this?
You see me? I don't look with people. But me I go talk my mind tonight. And that's why I'm stay far from no phone. Okay? You see some of the girl on eyes. So let me talk from now. You see you big tough foot girl, alligator albatross looking crocodile skin girl, you big tough foot, dry foot. You when you you see how you still can watch the video without sound? You know well what do I offer name me call? Why? You don't love mix up bad way now? You know well what hear I offer name me call? Me just make a video to tell you no. Have a good night.
She trick anyhow no? Did she trick anyhow no just now? Oh my God, you know, so the sad thing about it is that when I saw this video online, me I listen and me I say, oh, me never hear she lead up a cuss nobody. Me I wonder, me I say, yo, a the angel, who the share cuss now, what? Well mixed up in a so when Spice just drop. The ending for me, I like, me they feel bad. Because I literally the boat for go try if send my friend and ask her, oh, you know the whole little mix up thing about Spice. Spice? You know you love a little, you know you love a little mix up too, so you're just like we, you know you like the little things, them and them like something there.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run club. Sing along. Well then, pick up the friend.
Alright, so first up in the big up segment, we're going to talk to you about an artist that is called Black Anks with a single called Long Time Gone. Now, the song, Shell, when I first heard it, I said, but so when I start listening and actually pre the song, I realize it's a single way a lot of people can relate to.
One time gone when man used to broke like that. We coulda count the few friends that come at me yard and keep up the link when nothing on one. Them a genuine brother like boot to a leather.
Yeah man, the song yeah, I gonna become my anthem for the new Bona for fake, wicked and evilous friends. So yeah, anybody doing nothing, I this make up play the same time.
Some people don't know you until you have things. You see them draw close enough up themselves. As them say walk one something them a beg. And not take seat like buckle pan shelf.
And so Panda, no, me have to big up all of my real friends them, all of my day one friend them, my friends them I have my back from now till probably in a year 2060.
They keep them close like brick to a finger.
So people don't forget it, the artist's name is Black Anks and the single is called Long Time Gone. Look it up, listen to it, put it on replay. Simple as that. Alright, so I'm going to big up Sean Paul and his wife Jinx on the birth of their second child. Now this baby is called Remy Lee. Yeah man, nice looking name and things. And yes, how can I forget to big up international reggae artist Coffee on getting an endorsement from Barack Obama as part of his summer 2019 playlist. Also, I have to big up the Jamaican squad that represented at Carry Festa. Big up uno talented self.
Me no foreign minded, no you compared to Jamaica.
And so I must add that recently I hosted the evening session at the Children's Summit. No, that was an awesome experience. I have to big up UNICEF for inviting me, and also I have to, big up all the children that I was able to talk to.
And if you don't know it, you just do it me to just move the mouth passionately. Just yeah. 1, 2, 3, let's go. In a nation where better Jamaica, for all of the children, free from every type of abuse. Building a nation. Right tomorrow. They ad-lib them. For all of the children.
Big up the Child Protection and Family Service Agency. Yeah man, thanks to the whole entire team that made the day possible.
Watch your style, man. I intend to jet boss. I'm represent for social media account. You know the band is come down there. We make a monitor for we in a buy or buy up, couple iron. And if we break a man in no banger, we lift up dial, one our client. We have couple our friend.
Number 12, Best Girl Pal. So you know the other day I featured this chica by the name of Abigail Smythe, I think that's her name, on my countdown for her perfectly shaped dumplings. And now she's back at it again after this video went viral online with her having a moment with her brother during his wedding. Now I must add that, she was not a little flowers girl, she was not part of the bridal party. She was her brother's best man, like she in a suit and beer things. Yeah man, it happens. It happens, people. Traditional people, yeah man, them something here happened and it was actually a cool look. But yeah, pre what happened during the little, kissing moment.
Kiss you.
Watch the video, I wonder where was she running to. Me think of some excitement so she could bring a mate or some type of things. Yes, me look a mix up self for that, I did that thing. But my girl just to make sure say, our brother did well fresh up before him to look a kiss because you can't have your little first kiss as husband and wife and the thing are really 100%. So yeah man, big up yourself Abby for looking out for your brother like that. Papi, mad, me wa yoy. So honestly, besides Squash and Bushman, there's another person and Spice. There's another person who seems very upset this week. I don't know who get popcorn, cross, hungry, and miserable. Yeah, but the person that need to take heed because, yeah, this sounds serious. The killy don't depend on that.
I'm telling you this. Some artists, I'm not respect me too bright. Yeah. I'm not bright on about myself with me. I feel like man levels and phone are the same thing. I hear so out of work me take and do this. Now when a man try size up on about myself with man, I feel like man are the same thing. Yeah. I mean, I first dancehall artist who have verified Facebook. Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
I mean, first have blue tick on IG, you know, ramping me dog. I mean, I first artist from Jamaica, wherever trend in the US, yeah? You know, play with me, I feel like me on a bum buckle at same thing. Yeah, you know, no respect. No artist no inspire, you know. I'm too, so I'm the artist than before. No. Bad man, you know, no bum that self, yeah, man. You don't want to not call me name nowhere to put. I'm going like you can compare yourself with man. Yeah, you're going to do some work. I'm going to find some at it and no ramp with me.
So, wow, that was quite a warning. That was quite a message. If you know somebody out there that is troubling popcorn, please to cease immediately. Immediately. Okay? Whew! Are you still there? You're still hanging there? We finally reached the 10. We finally reached number 10. Whew! I'm tired. I hope you don't tired. Once again, make sure if you watch, you're on the live or wherever, hit the thumbs up button and to subscribe and leave a comment. Oh, okay. Number 10, Jidenna versus Travis. Me remote control. So now, them artists here, them international artists here, I guess everybody I try to find them like a dancehall rhythm, them like a dancehall groove. So now I'm going to put a little matchup between Travis Scott, you know, the brother, you know, rap artist in my date, Jidenna, and Jidenna. Both of them, you know, out and about these days, turning up. And we just need to find out who is the real Jam Down Shella. Okay? So first up, we have Travis and Kylie Jenner at a party. And yeah, free. You see that moment when Travis give Kylie 100 stab? Kylie was like, oh, hell to the nah. You are not trying to punch her. My plastic. And then now you have Jidenna. No, Jidenna, the brother here is the original classic man, and him there one party and a dance with this little African girl, you know, she look good and all of these things. No, the song that he was dancing to. Oh wow! Oh, okay. All right, Jidenna, Miss you. Yeah, do your thing. All right, Miss you. So let me know, Burritos, who you think won the clash. Was it Jidenna or Travis? Comment below. Number 9, Goat Rescue. Me. I'm gonna walk with him, goat them. You know, I walk, I guess I carry them to the field or plantation or wherever goats hang out. I don't know. And so he was walking with them when he realized a couple of the goats gonna get tangled up by somebody's rope. And one of the goats them end up now look like was getting a little neck trophication issue. And that's when the farmer jumped into the situation and put on his superhero hat to try to save the day. Oh my, oh.
Damn.
Alright. Maybe kit, you know.
Okay. Why you are the best, Mr. Rowe? You're not easy. You're not easy.
I guess that's commendable. That was very good. That was very swift thinking. It's very nice to see that he saved the goat's life. Even if he only gave the goat another 24 hours to live, because when I think him just a walk around the goat as him pet, I'm pretty sure it's going to end up on somebody's Sunday dinner table soon. But I guess it was a nice thought, a nice gesture to see this moment where a man cared for his, I don't know, but the fact that he cared for the animal in this brief moment, I think it was commendable and it looked pretty cool. So can I get a wall for this man and him goat? Wow! Alright, number 8, DeMarco, the Beast. Me box foot, my word. I do not know why them artists here now, since Tex Adapts and you have Marvin the Beast and everybody, the artists them a try for, you know, show off a little different things. You know, Elephant Man, they don't say a little trend, they lift up the big woman them on stage. But it look like some more and more artists now. See what I want for next time, say, yo, me need to incorporate some little gymnastic type of, you know, beast type of style in my performances. And as bold as them are tried, it never really went so well. Take a look.
This is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you.
No, I do not know why I get so much joy, you know, when it comes to seeing people drop. Like, me no know, me just think something just totally interesting. Oh boy. So let me know what you thought about this video, burritos, and comment and let me know when was the last time that you fell. Number 7, Cool It TV. Me I stray. Spice, why I do not know why you take a permanent residence from my social media account down. How much time I mention you while me I talk for the topics them. Boy, say into who? So Spice was in Britain the other day and she was invited on Great Britain's morning show to talk about her career and upcoming projects. Take a look.
Follow you. Okay.
No, you see in the middle of the performance, Spice decides that she wants to come bring the whole full 100% dancehall type of flair to the good people them of Britain.
Cool it, cool it down. Cool it down, be a cool it down, because him some feel like paradise. Make him one side go.
But you know, looking at this interaction on a morning show, it begs the question, would Spice have been invited? Could she have been able to do this on a local station? Like CVM at Sunrise? Or Smile Jamaica Hits Morning Time? Scan them! Run the track. Cool it! Let me know what you thought about it. Do you actually agree and think maybe Smile Jamaica wouldn't have had her on to do something like this? Sound off below. Number 6, Kevin J.A. So, you know, one of my favorite international comedians is Kevin Hart. I know, if you don't know, Kevin Hart is actually married to a Jamaican. Yes, her name is Eniko. You man stay good, pretty, and all of these things. So, anywho, so, you know, they're vacationing and chilling, and I guess every now and again, Kevin jumps into his Jamaican alter ego.
Alright, so, my new name is Island Dave, because I'm out here like an island boy. And if you don't believe me, then I get to talk in that island talk. You want me to box you down? I'll box you down. Oh yeah? Oh, who you talking to? You talking to me? Yeah? Go suck your mother.
No!
Yeah.
You cannot say that.
Yeah, I can say that. I'll box you down. Go suck your. You. Over here talking like an island boy, because that's what I am.
No, Kevin. Number 5, Diamond Summer. Me equate a line. So, this video, let me just say this. This video literally had me smiling from start to finish. Now, if you don't know Diamond is one of them back in the time when they have like a pasa around the place. Diamond one of them industry dancers there. Like, she have whole heap of vibes, whole heap of personality, whole heap of flair, whole heap of excitement. When you think about Diamond, you know, so nothing go boring. So, anyhow, make a dub Diamond as the queen of promotions. If you have like a party and like something they are going, you have to get Diamond to promote your party, because when she is promoting, she go all out. You're guaranteed for laugh, you're guaranteed for like, comment and share, you're guaranteed to enjoy the thing. You're going to look on it as something beyond an ad. So yeah man, this is one whole entire endorsement for Diamond and her promotion them. Okay, so this time now, she's promoting another party, and trust me people, you need to look on this video backdrop.
Yes. They don't know saying I represent the ultimate pool party. Frozen bars are ready enough. Present the thing called all of this life looks in the ear. Christ, August the 25th. National Columbia place to bed. Feel the frozen bars over here. Yeah. Frozen bars, let me have a drink, please. August 25th, place to me, Colombia. If you don't miss it, you don't miss it. Big up the pool, go get stuff. Big up the pool. Get water, get stuff. Man, big up the pool.
No man, pre the waterfall. No, pre the waterfall. So let me know, burritos, is this a party that you would attend? Number 4, Breadfruit girl. You nearly made me hurl. Your skin white like a pearl. Oh God, I'm so stupid. By word, by sentence, by paragraph. So this video I saw the other day with this girl, my Caucasian friend, probably having her breadfruit raw. Yes, people, raw.
You can use breadfruit at all different stages of ripeness. So when it's not ripe, you can steam it, you can bake it.
Breadfruit. You want breadfruit?
All types of things. And you can even dehydrate it and turn it into flour. So when it's ripe though, you can just eat it as it is, or you can turn it into like a pancake type thing. But this is how it looks on the inside when it's ripe. It's very a gooey texture. Show you here. Gooey like this, and it's kind of like durian almost, the texture, and it's very sweet, it's very dense. This is the stem. I'm just going to take out. It has these little hair things on there, kind of furry. You don't want to eat that. It's not good.
That? What? Rubbish. No man, the breadfruit that look like when alkaline did I say plaka plaka, that is the visual representation of it.
Gooey like this.
No man, the girlie and her stomach have more confidence than the man that walk around and sing Shenyang anthem.
The girl can see me and start problem.
Them a girl clown, so me walk on them.
Wow, no, just listen how the girl just attack with such conviction. Can I get a wow for this girl intestines? Wow. What are your thoughts on this video, burritos? Would you follow in this girl's footsteps? Number 3, official back to school. Me book list. Recently, she, have her back to school drive where she reached out to people to make donations so that she could give back to kids and families who were in need. So, on the day, my guest spice never anticipate how much people know her or how fast the word of mouth would have spread. But it looked like the whole of Kingston congregated at her back to school fair. And yeah, it was one bag of commotion. Pre. No, this look like when they keep sting the ear when Cartel and Ninja Man must fight or something like that. No, look on people. Now, Spice actually said on her social media that she was moved to tears and she felt a little way that it never really came out in the way that she would have liked it to come out. And me have to say, no, watch no face, Spice. The fact that you did something like this is definitely a good move, and it's a good look for somebody in your position who has the resources and the name and the power to really put together something like this. And I just know, so probably next year when the thing get more, organized and you have more time to kind of plan it in a proper way, of course, it's going to be a lot more easier and smoother. But I just saw things go. Just rough it out for the area and next year come back bigger and better. But yes, that's still a nice start. But no, me I forgot to talk to this video that showed this lady. No, this lady was out in the crowd. Now, I guess things never work out according to how she planned. And she decides that she wants to come and done Spice because she never get the good things them.
Right, you could have buy a book for $100, pencil for $30. Come here, some people are push me down. My son, I'll see and turn this from asthma. And I treat me from
No, you tell me say you want to come and chastise Spice. All of these things, things we never get on your waste time and yeah. And look on the good things them and the money them were invested up right through up your baby ear and strands.
And ask similar pastor start to sing what I crash was attack. You don't know where they are tuning into social media countdown. You know the countdown go them hours here. So me roll. Rolex Paris, you know that a goal. So me roll out in me cut off jeans. Girls see me, you not scream when me touch papi.
Number 2, the rise of bully beef. Meeting food. My word, my sentence. What is going on social media lately is like every time I blink, is another one just burst out of the can. Ta-da! So first you had mackerel, then you have candy, and now in the midst of it you have this girl that is called bully beef. Now, me know where she come from. I don't really think she had a viral video yet, but just the fact that her name is Bully Beef and Rich Rat tried to keep up the whole food type of thing, I guess it made the situation relevant. No, boy, them girl have some Jamaican, some strong, good girl Jamaican name. So, Bully Beef, rightful name is Suzette Donna. Candy's name is Carisha Brandon. And you have Mackerel with the name Ladesha Francis. No, man, it's full time now. What have one social media sensation we're uptown. No, man, what happens to the Jessicas, the Ashlyns, the Andreens? You know, one of them girl up on social media. We want one uptown star right now. We name something like Tutti Frutti. So anyhow, the videos that I've seen of Bully Beef was when she come out and she basically talk about the fact that Candy apparently stole the dance for Muscle Wine and reinvent it, and I call it the Candy Wow Wine.
Candy, I come talk about wow wine. Next time you hear talk about wow wine, you're going to get a wow thump in your face, Candy. It's not no wow wine, it's Muscle Wine, and that originates from Spanish Town. Spanish Town, dance.
And so yes, people, so just like you, I'm actually trying to figure out who this Bully Beef character is, because she has not gotten a viral video yet that I feel has some impact to make her a part of this conversation.
Candy mouth full of rotten teeth. Wow! Candy a body like me. Wow!
You know, I see the video that she did with the star, and in the video she initially did look kind of nervous, you know, like when one pitney about to get beaten, and they're not sure what them parents are going to come with, so them just sit down kind of and wait for the judgment.
Give myself that name. Because maybe always a dance, always a do something, always a video, and then see this mackerel thing, Candy. So I say, oh, I'm always doing stuff like them, so why don't I name myself and do something too?
Okay, alright, okay. Alright, okay, honestly, I don't really much care. I'm still looking to see more of Bully Beef's personality, so I can see if, you know, people are gravitate to her. So, what do you think about this burritos, this Bully Beef character? Sound off below. And number 1 goes to... Drifting Woes! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So this video now, if you never see this video, something is wrong with you, because you just clearly never live on social media, you never have no data plan, you never pay for your Wi-Fi, you are just living under a rock. So this video, you know, popped out on social media, you know, showcasing a driver, somewhere up near Boulevard or somewhere near where Maka is, a show of one bag of Fast and Furious drifting, spinning and all kind of movements right in the middle of one intersection. Yes, man, people, pray. And so when these videos jump out now, I guess it wasn't a good look, and people are saying, nah man, them something here can't go on in Jamaica. Do better than that. Where is the traffic police, the road police, them? What is going to be done about it? So same time now, it look like, say, you know, some things get handled, and you know, the police found the culprit, the person who was doing all of them antics there in the middle of the road and putting innocent people potentially at harm. Okay, so the police then find him now, but in an interesting style, the police decided to have a nice little a public showing of good support and good strength for this man's activity. Look on the whole entrance and everything. So the police met up with the driver of the black Mercedes-Benz and he's told the officer that his name was Duttyberry and that he was a personal assistant to cricketer Andre Russell.
Of motorists, the public? Well, when you're around the steering sometime, you know, it kind of gets you a little bit aggressive because the car is an aggressive car.
So it make you do things where you don't really think it just happened. So you just go with the flow. But as I said, I'm ready to want me again.
Has it happened before this?
No.
And I won't allow you to ask him things that would incriminate himself. I'd like to take the opportunity to say...
And here the police saying that they just wanted this thing to be done for show, to kind of be used as a public awareness campaign to, you know, tell drivers that they should not conduct themselves in this manner on the road. But everybody is ignoring the elephant in the room, that the fact that this brother was light-skinned plays a vital role. The fact that this brother was uptown, the fact that this brother was not necessarily down in the garrison, that is why he was able to get that sort of privilege. Because I tell you, if I did Damien from around a trench town where I have one robot taxi, trust and believe that it would not have been dealt with in this sort of way. And we have to understand the sort of shreds that are exist in Jamaica and see if we can do something, if we can correct and fix them little things there. Okay? So that's it, people. All's well that ends well. No! Not a box foot never end well at all, because the next thing to step it out on social media was another video showcasing another angle of the black Mercedes. And when you look into the car, you never see any Dennis. You never look and see no light skin anywhere near the car. You see two black brothers. So that means if the guy who spoke to the police was never the driver of the car, that means that it was a lie? A scam? They pulled one over the cops? Wow. I'm actually kind of impressed in them. I'm actually kind of impressed in them, but more so than that, I'm actually very, the people who released the second video, or the person who released the second video, the fact that on a time it, on a wait until the whole entire public apology and everything step out, on a release this video that shows that he was not the driver of the car. So yeah, it look like, you know, Angelina the car and another brother, but I guess them send him for gonna be the whole current Spencer of the operation. Yeah, if you don't get that, you just don't get it. Just left that. So now me here, so the police, they're investigating to see what really is the truth, but it looks like things too late, because now I guess more uptown people are running upon the whole like a road takeover, and everybody wants to be in a Fast and the Furious, because clearly look like it's been a trend. Pretty okay, well, wow. All me I say, for people of darker complexion, do not hard try these things at home or in the streets, because trust and believe, you will not be made a brand ambassador for anything to do with road safety. Okay, people? Well, that is it, people. I hope that you enjoyed this top 20 social media countdown. Oh my God, me tell you, this take all the energy out of me to hard deliver this, but may I sincerely hope say you enjoy the content. If you did, don't be afraid to hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, and also to subscribe if you are new. Welcome to the Burrito family. Also, don't be afraid to share the video, share it with your friends, your family, all of them, because something hard there. Make sure you also go and check out my recent videos posted on my page. I did a video that is called Annoying Friends featuring Kavan. I'm going to put a link above so that you can go and check that out. Trust me, it was fun and hilarious. Also check out my video about coffee, as well as, you know, my reviews on Normani's motivation and Marlon Wayans' sex toplets. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to email me to do a promo in the social media countdown, just to reach out to me at DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, so that is it, please. Take care until next time. I'm going to close out with Black Ant's song, Long Time Gone. Take it away.
One time gone when man used to broke like that. We coulda found a few friends that come on me yard and keep up the link when nothing now gone. Them a tell you win brother like boot to a leather. We keep them close like ring to a finger. Know the real friends who they sell out.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on, that missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.